Hydration, the life-saving elixir for optimal health and vitality. Water, the elixir of life, is essential for the survival and well-being of all living organisms. From the tiniest microbe to the largest mammal, hydration plays a fundamental role in every aspect of biological function. Yet despite its ubiquity and importance, many people overlook the significance of staying adequately hydrated. In this video, we'll delve into the importance of hydration for human health, exploring its myriad benefits, the consequences of dehydration, and practical strategies for maintaining optimal hydration levels. Understanding hydration. The essence of water. Water is the primary component of the human body, comprising approximately 60% of total body weight in adults. It serves as a solvent, lubricant, temperature regulator, and essential medium for biochemical reactions. Fluid balance. Maintaining fluid balance is crucial for proper bodily function, including regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients and oxygen, lubricating joints, and eliminating waste products. Electrolyte regulation. Electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and chloride are dissolved in body fluids and play a vital role in maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, muscle contraction, and pH balance. The importance of hydration. Optimal physical performance. Adequate hydration is essential for optimal physical performance, endurance, and stamina during exercise and daily activities. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, decreased strength and coordination, impaired cognitive function, and increased risk of heat-related illnesses. Cognitive function and mental clarity. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining cognitive function, mental clarity, and alertness. Even mild dehydration can impair memory, concentration, and mood, affecting productivity and overall cognitive performance. And digestive health. Water is essential for digestive health, aiding in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients, facilitating bowel movements, and preventing constipation. Dehydration can lead to gastrointestinal issues such as indigestion, bloating, and sluggish digestion. Kidney function. Adequate hydration is vital for kidney function and urinary tract health, as water helps flush out toxins, waste products, and excess minerals from the body. Dehydration can increase the risk of kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and kidney damage over time. Skin health. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining skin health, elasticity, and moisture balance. Dehydration can lead to dryness, flakiness, premature aging, and impaired wound healing. Temperature regulation. Water plays a critical role in thermoregulation, helping the body maintain a stable internal temperature through processes such as sweating and evaporative cooling. Dehydration reduces the body's ability to dissipate heat, increasing the risk of heat-related illnesses such as heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Consequences of dehydration. Mild dehydration. Symptoms of mild dehydration may include thirst, dry mouth, fatigue, headache, dizziness, and dark-colored urine. Mild dehydration can impair cognitive function, mood, and physical performance, even with minimal fluid loss. Moderate to severe dehydration. In cases of moderate to severe dehydration, symptoms may progress to rapid heartbeat, rapid breathing, sunken eyes, confusion, irritability, and decreased urine output. Severe dehydration is a medical emergency and can lead to life-threatening complications such as shock, organ failure, and death if left untreated. Factors affecting hydration. Physical activity. Exercise increases fluid loss through sweating, respiration, and increased metabolic activity, necessitating higher fluid intake to maintain hydration. Climate and environment. Hot and humid weather, high altitude, and dry climates increase the risk of dehydration due to increased sweat loss and evaporative cooling. Age. Infants, children, older adults, and individuals with certain medical conditions are at higher risk of dehydration due to differences in fluid balance, thirst perception, and kidney function. Dietary factors. Consumption of diuretic beverages such as caffeine, alcohol, and sugary drinks can increase fluid loss and contribute to dehydration if not adequately balanced with water intake. Practical strategies for hydration. Drink plenty of water. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 cups, 64 to 80 ounces of water per day, or more if you're physically active or exposed to hot weather. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day as a reminder to stay hydrated. Monitor urine color. Monitor urine color as a simple indicator of hydration status. Pale yellow or straw-colored urine indicates adequate hydration, while darker urine may indicate dehydration. Aim for light-colored urine throughout the day by drinking enough fluids. Drink water before, during, and after exercise to replace fluids lost through sweat and maintain hydration. Consider sports drinks or electrolyte solutions for prolonged or intense exercise to replenish electrolytes lost through sweating. Eat hydrating foods. Incorporate hydrating foods with high water content into your diet, such as fruits, e.g. watermelon, oranges, berries, vegetables, e.g. cucumbers, tomatoes, lettuce, and soups. Limit diuretic beverages. Limit consumption of diuretic beverages such as caffeinated drinks, alcohol, and sugary sodas, which can increase fluid loss and contribute to dehydration. Balance diuretic beverages with water intake and choose water as your primary hydration source. Pay attention to your body's thirst cues and drink water whenever you feel thirsty, as thirst is a reliable indicator of fluid needs. Take breaks and rest in shaded or cool areas during hot weather to prevent overheating and dehydration. Hydration is not merely a matter of quenching thirst. It is a cornerstone of health, vitality, and well-being. Proper hydration is essential for every aspect of human physiology, from cognitive function and physical performance to digestive health and skin vitality. By prioritizing hydration, monitoring fluid intake, and adopting practical strategies for maintaining optimal hydration levels, individuals can safeguard their health, enhance their quality of life, and thrive in every aspect of life. As we recognize the importance of hydration as a cornerstone of health and vitality, may we embrace the simple yet profound act of drinking water as a life-giving elixir for the body, mind, and spirit. If you received value from this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.